Hi everyone, today we're going to be making some holiday cards. You'll need some cardstock or paper, scissors, glue, pipe cleaners, pom-poms, glitter, and a marker. First, taking a light blue piece of paper, we're folding it, but just creasing it a little bit. Don't fold all the way through. Then you'll fold the outsides of the cards inside to the crease. Next, on a piece of white paper, draw a snowman. Cut out your snowman, and then cut down the center of the snowman, cutting all the way through. Glue each of the sides of the snowman in the middle of the card, and then you can decorate it, adding your hat, eyes, smile, arms, and buttons. And don't forget the carrot nose. Inside you can write your holiday message. For the next card, you'll need cardstock, pom-poms, scissors, glue, and cotton balls. And for this card, you're going to fold it all the way through. Then you're going to cut out your head for the Santa. Next, you're going to want to cut out the hat for Santa. Glue the head and the hat to the card. Next, you can add your cotton balls to the brim of the hat. You can also add cotton balls to the beard for Santa as well. Then you can add pom-poms to his nose and the end of the hat. And then you can add your face. For the last card, you'll need pipe cleaners, cardstock, and glitter. I chose to fold mine the opposite way, but you can fold your card however you'd like. Cut up your pipe cleaners into thirds, and then just by twisting them around the center, you can make the snowflake shape. Trim any excess pieces and then glue it to the card. You can write your holiday message on it as well. Next, I used the glitter glue to add some snowflakes all around the card in different shapes and sizes. And there you have it, all your festive Christmas and holiday cards. Thanks for watching!